6324038
Hello, my name is Devi Dwi Arianti with name 6324038.
We from class 632A13. We want to working on English final exam project.
Helen, have you realized our lives nowadays feel like they can be spared from the internet?
Totally true. I wake up and check TikTok right away, and before I bed, I watch YouTube every day. Same routine.
And when the signal's bad or the Wi-Fi is down, it feels like a mini apocalypse, right?
Haha, yes. Just yesterday, my down Wi-Fi was doing down for 3 hours, and I had no idea what to do. Suddenly, everything felt boring.
But sometimes I wonder too, is the internet actually helping or just making us dependent?
But really, like for me, online classes during college were super helpful. I just open Google Meet and you can study from home. But yeah, I also cannot stop scrolling social media.
Same here. Back when I did not have a phone, I used to read books, draw, or play outside. Now, just lying down while scrolling through people's stories.
But honestly, I've also learned a lot from the internet, like cooking receipt, makeup tutorial, and even coding. I learned from YouTube.
Actually, due to college assignments become easier. Just Google it and done. But sometimes, because it's so easy, we get lazy to think for ourselves, right?
Yeah, I agree. Back then it was normal to think hard. Now, even for small stuff, we run to Google, even though we might not actually understand the answer.
And speaking of social media, have you ever felt exhausted, like comparing your life to other people's?
So many times, especially when I see people always on vacation with nice jobs, with partners, I get insurance, even though we don't do not what's behind the scene.
That's why I'm trying a weekly social media detox, only going online for important stuff.
So many times, especially when I see people always on vacation with nice job, sweet partners, I get insecure, even though we do not know what behind the scene.
That's why I'm trying a weekly social media detox, only going online for important stuff.
Wow, that's cool. I wanna try that too. Maybe life will feel more peaceful if we were not online all the time.
Yeah, sometimes we need to disconnect so we can reconnect with ourselves too.
Agree. So the internet is not the enemy. We just need to use it wisely.
Actually, it's all about how we manage it. The internet can be a friend as long as we don't let it become our master.
Oh, you're sounding super wise now, Dev. Haha.
Learning from experience.
But Dev, what do you think about kids this day? They are already using phone from such a young age.
Yeah, I'm shocked sometimes. A 3 years old already knows how to open YouTube on their own back. When we were that age, we were playing rubber band games and pretend cooking.
But honestly, I feel a bit sad from them too. It's like they are missing out on their childhood, playing alone, just watching screen.
True, and what's worse, sometimes the parents are also glued to their phones, so a whole family could be sitting together, but nobody's actually talking.
Yeah, everyone is stuck to their own screen, when in fact, real communication is super important for relationship.
That's why I love it when we have gadget-free family time, like during family gatherings, we play board games together, so fun.
Sounds awesome, like a throwback to the old days. Sometimes what stresses us out is having too much information. Everything pours in from the internet.
Totally agree. Every day we're reading bad news, celeb drama, gossip, or friends get tired.
Exactly. That's why I've started filtering what I consume. I unfollow toxic account. I follow more educational and positive vibe page.
That's great. I also now follow self 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 healing page, journaling stuff, and nature vibes. So opening social media does not always make me overthink.
By the way, have you ever gotten into a fight with a friend just because of a chat misunderstanding?
Of course, one wrong emoji, the tone becomes unclear, and boom, argument. Even though I mean well.
Exactly, that's why I prefer talking in person for important things. Texting can be so dangerous sometimes.
True, especially in chats, you can see facial experience or hear tone of voice. It's so easy to be misunderstood.
The point is, the internet is like a knife. You can cook with it or you can hurt sometimes. Depends on how you use it.
You're being supervised today, Len.
Because I've been talking with you, got me thinking deeply. Hehe.
That's why having conversation like this is super important. We can really on the internet for everything.
Totally agree, Dev. Come on, let's go for a walk around campus after this. No phones, no scrolling for a while.
Deal, the internet can wait, but precious moments with friends, they can be prepaid.